today, peeps. Actually, I was looking at the footage from last night with the icebox, and we didn't really get to do the other icebox. So here, okay, again, impromptu. Lily likes to, when he buys bottled water or whatever he drinks, he likes to recycle and just adds more water, refills it. So then he also has red mill, I don't like a whole grain something powder, flour, cereal, Argo baking powder, Cheerios, Best Food, matzo balls, because he's Jewish, so he likes to make that, and they're good too in soups. More sparkling water, Vermont Chardonnay, a 2017 Chardonnay, crunchy almond granola cereal, ooh, Godiva candy, soy sauce, Coffee Mate, Jacob's Creek Chardonnay, Pinot, Punta dos Amantes. Oh, that's a Cabernet Sauvignon. Okay, that goes there, and then down here he has cake batter or flour, Bisquick in the back, what is this, chili or kimchi based sauce, syrups for the waffles or for the pancakes, enchilada sauce. Who's this? The cream of rice. Looks like Aunt Jemima, but it's not. And back there, feta cheese, and then kiwi roasted sesame dressing, water, more dressing, roasted sesame. These are really good. These are just to die for. More salsa, green salsa, balsamic vinegar, Parmesan cheese. These are olives. These are olives. I think this is the one from what do you call that? More Parmesan cheese from Crown Bakery. Oh, more roasted. God, love those. Coconut milk. We like 2% milk. Is that ultra or reduced fat? Candy. Chocolate. Oh, I guess it's those. More milk. What is this? Bread, pepper, and tomato soup. Oh, more of those olives. Oh, I need to eat some of these. That looks good. Potato starch flour. And then up here in this container is crackers. Is this candy? Yeah. Cereal. Candy. Oh, this is dried candy. Here's part of it. Cheese. I don't know. Butter. Biscuit. Chopped pecans. Measuring pouch, apple and cinnamon oatmeal flakes, some kind of sauce for like a wasabi, Diet Coke, which I'll probably take a sip. Yep, I'll get rid of that. Okay, wait. Then Denny, he's the one that collects these. Syrup, pad thai paste, garlic, chicken, leftover chicken. I'm sure that he's feeding Cindy with sunflower seeds. They look good. There's one. Let me try. More of those mango seeds. What do you call that? Thin, super green noodles. And then here on the side, what is this, garlic? I'm sure wasabi, jelly, relish. Oh, I don't know what this is. Pepper. I don't know this stuff. Soy sauce. Ooh, cherries. More kimchi base. Pickled beets. Lily loves beets. Vitamin C. Yoshida's very good. Barbecue sauce. Peppers. Sweet hot pepper, I guess, or mustard. Thai tom yum. Creamy ranch. Mild curry spice taste or paste. Welch's grape jelly. More ranch dressings. Basil. Dried basil. More Smucker's jelly. And then there's Hunt's tomato ketchup. Then, what is this? Best Foods Organic Spicy Chipotle. Classic Caesar. Let me just put that there. Cornstarch, 2 of them. More relish, sweet relish. And shake and pour pancake batter. Alright, so now in the center we have flour. Yeah, we always keep them in the fridge or in the freezer because bugs. I just, we're in the tropics. They'll find their way in. More grains and things like that. Coffee, freeze dried. Well, should be in the freezer. I don't know what's in here. Some kind of spice or something like that. And these are nuts. These are yum walnuts. Lasagna noodles. I don't know. Yeah, just trash. Plastic bags. I don't get it. Cornmeal. Look at this. I don't get it. But beans and more beans and beans and what's that? Dates. Yep. Looks like dates. Okay. Ooh. Wait. I spilled some. What else? Pumpkins? Sunflower seed. Okay. Last one. The freezer. Okay, on this side, we have our chicken pot pies, vodkas. This is ground beef that needs to go in the bottom. Vegetable classics, I guess spinach. Stouffer's white meat chicken, scallop chicken and noodles. And then frozen strawberries, strudels, frozen chopped ham, popsicles. This must be the Pedialyte popsicles, yeah, for the kitties. This must be sauce that we in gravy or something like that. Drippings and things like that we freeze that we can, cook for our base. Cool Whip. More popsicles, Malona. Wait, let me just put that there. Popsicles, Malona. This looks like frozen apples. More fruits. This must be broccoli. And then that's where those pearl onions came from here. And this, you can hear my thing. This is more strawberries. Fries. Frozen fries. Put all that back there, the Malona. And then we have potato and cheddar with jalapeno wraps. More minute steaks. Fish. I don't know what kind of fish those are. This looks like tortillas down there. Turkey meatballs, and these are all bagged, ripe in the bananas. There was just too much. I couldn't finish it. All right, peeps. And that was my icebox from this other house. All right. So it's a mess here. Let's just real quickly sneak over to the closet. Hold on. This is what I've done so far. I guess the guy's gonna come this weekend, so while I'm waiting, and then of course we're measuring the mirror for here, and then getting a cure cabinet for here, a display case where I can put sunglasses and watches and jewelry and stuff. But here, I put this couch in here, so that way I can, when I get ready from here, because I'm going to put another rod here, another one there, and then I can walk. There'll be a mirror over there, so once I try my clothes on, I can look at it myself from here and walk down that aisle like a runway. And then here so far. Okay. I have some t-shirts in here, my underwears, long johns, travel stuff, gloves and things. And then where I put my liqueurs, my necklaces in there. All right, well, that's for now. I mean, I don't know how I got from the kitchen to this, but I was just looking at it. It was right there already. All right, peeps. I'll see you. Hafa Guam. Hafa peeps. Adios.